Hello, my loving future doctors. Welcome to my channel Help Study 1 2 3. Let's start our class. अपना ड्रीम पूरा करो. 1. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? A. Blue whale, sea horse, Gangetic shark and river dolphin. The Earth Summit held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992 was called A. For immediate steps to discontinue use of CFCs that were damaging the ozone layer. B. To reduce CO2 emissions and global warming. C. For conservation of biodiversity and sustainable utilization of its benefits. D. To assess threat posed to native species by invasive weed species. According to Robert May, the global species diversity is about A. 1.5 million, B. 20 million, C. 50 million, D. 7 million. Next, Alexander von Humboldt described for the first time A. Loss of limiting factor, B. Species area relationships, population growth equation, ecological biodiversity. Which of the following regions of the globe exhibits highest species diversity? A. Western Ghats of India, B. Madagascar, C. Himalayas, D. Amazon forest. Next, which of the following is correctly matched? Aruncaima opuntia, age pyramids, biome, Parthenium hysterophorus, threat to biodiversity, stratification, population. Red list contains data or information on A. All economically important plants, B. Plants whose products are in international trade, C. Threatened species, D. Marine vertebrates only. Next, which of the following is the most important cause of animals and plants being driven to extinction? A. Habitat loss and fragmentation, B. Co-extinctions, C. Overexploitation, D. Alien species invasion. Next, which one of the following is not a method of in situ conservation of biodiversity? A. Sacred grove, B. Biosphere reserve, C. Wildlife sanctuary, D. Botanical garden. Which of the following is not a method of ex situ conservation? A. In vitro fertilization, B. National park, C. Micropropagation, D. Cryopreservation. Which one of the following is related to ex situ conservation of threatened animal and plants? A. Biodiversity hotspots, B. Amazon rainforest, C. Himalayan region, D. Wildlife safari parks. Habitat loss of fragmentation, overexploitation, alien species invasion and co-extinction are causes for A. Population explosion, B. Competition, C. Biodiversity loss, D. Natality. Next, in situ conservation refers to A. Protect and conserve the whole ecosystem, B. Conserve only high risk species, C. Conserve only endangered species, D. Conserve only extinct species. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding biodiversity? A. Biodiversity deals with biological and geographical units such as genes, chromosomes, species, families, and biogeographic regions. B. Biodiversity is an addition sum of genetic, taxonomic, and ecosystem diversity. C. It is a measure of the amount of resources shared by the human population. D. None of these. Which of the following countries has the highest biodiversity? A. Brazil, South Africa, Russia, India. Which of the following is not a cause for loss of biodiversity? Destruction of habitat, invasion by alien species, keeping animals in zoological parks, overexploitation of natural resources. Which of the following is not an invasive alien species in the Indian context? Lantana, Cynodon, Parthenium, Eichhornia. Where among the following will you find pitcher plant? Rainforest of Northeast India, Sundarbans, Thor Desert, Western Ghats. Which one of the following is not a feature of biodiversity hotspots? A. Large number of species. B. Abundance of endemic species. C. Mostly located in the polar region. D. Mostly located in the tropics. What is common to the following plants? Nepenthes, Xylotum, Rauwolfia and Aconitum. A. All are ornamental plants. B. All are phylogenetic link species. C. All are prone to overexploitation. D. All are exclusively present in the eastern Himalayas. Next, the one-horned rhinoceros is specific to which of the following sanctuary? A. Bhitarkanika, B. Bandipur, C. Kaziranga, D. Corbett Park. Amongst the animal groups given below, which one has the highest percentage of endangered species? Insects, mammals, amphibians, reptiles. Next, which one of the following is an endangered plant species of India? Rauwolfia serpentina, Santalum album, sandalwood, cycas, bedoni, all of the above. Next, 11. What is common to Lantana, Eichhornia and African catfish? All are endangered species of India. All are keystone species. All are mammals found in India. D. All the species are neither threatened nor indigenous species of India. The extinction of passenger pigeon was due to A. Increased number of predatory birds. B. Overexploitation by humans. C. Non-availability of the food. D. Bird flu virus infection. Next, which of the following statements is correct? A. Parthenium is an endemic species of our country. B. African catfish is not a threat to indigenous catfishes. C. Steelers sea cow is an extinct animal. D. Lantana is popularly known as carrot grass. Among the ecosystem mentioned below, where can one find maximum biodiversity? A. Mangroves. B. Desert. C. Coral reefs. D. Alpine meadows. Which of the following forest is known as the lungs of the planet Earth? A. Taiga forest. B. Tundra forest. C. Amazon rainforest. D. Rainforests of Northeast India. Next, the active chemical drug reserpine is obtained from A. Datura, B. Rauwolfia, C. Atropa, D. papaver. Which of the below mentioned regions exhibit less seasonal variations? A. Tropics, B. Temperates, C. Alpines, D. both A and B. 30 questions complete, but assertion reason দেওয়া হয়নি, ওইগুলো থেকে আমি তোমাদেরকে বেছে বেছে ইম্পর্টেন্ট দেখে নেক্সট ভিডিওতে দেব। ওকে, তোমরা কিন্তু এগুলো রেডি করো। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, লাভ ইউ অল দ্য বেস্ট।